All right, the dead bug exercise. So this is gonna maybe challenge your coordination a little bit. It's gonna start on the ground, knees directly over the hips, hands directly over the shoulders, and your opposite leg and arm are going to extend while the other two limbs stay in place. So if you're starting here, two of them are gonna stay and the opposite ones are gonna move. Come back to the middle and then switch. The biggest thing to keep in mind here is to keep your abs tucked in. Lower back is going to be on the floor. Think about trying to lift your hips up off the ground instead of just completely laying down flat. It is a core exercise, so we want to keep all this tucked in while extending at the same time. So keeping that tucked position here and extending your limbs is very tricky because it's easy to do this, and then when you start extending, your back starts arching and you lose everything. So only go out as far as you can before you start arching everything. So extend only as much as you can, keeping it tucked.